Hey everybody, this is Tim Pulaski with TriMech, and today we're going to be taking a look at the search tool in SOLIDWORKS Electrical. So a little known function in SOLIDWORKS Electrical is the search tool, which can be found underneath the Tools drop-down, Search. The search tool is a really great way of finding components or things in your project based on properties such as their mark. So if I click on Search, you'll see that it'll open up a dialog and allow me to search through books or components or wires to find things with a particular mark. So if I was looking for component K7, we'll say, contactor relay, I can say component K7, and that will find all instances of where K7 is being represented, both in my single line diagram here and here, as well as in my schematic, both here and here. Now, I can do a couple of things once I find the component I'm interested in. If I'm purely interested in modifying the properties of the component itself, I can right-click on any one of these and select Go to Browser. And this is going to take me to that component in my component browser on the left. And then I can right-click on that and edit its properties, do whatever I have to do. But I can also find these symbols. So if I wanted to make some changes to the coil, I can right-click on the coil symbol and say Go to Drawing, and that will actually open up the drawing in question and put me front and center, or put that coil front and center on my screen and allow me to easily find it and make changes to it. So this is one great function of the search tool, but there's another that's a little bit more hidden, in fact. You can find another search tool if you open up your components browser and right-click on the top-level project under Search Component. This has a very similar function, but with a different set of criterion by which you search by. Some of them are similar to the previous search tool, but this one lets you go a little bit deeper into the properties of a component. So for example, if I wanted to find all components by a certain class, say all my power contactors, I can simply select that classification and it will find all those contactors inside of this project. This will allow me to easily find ones that maybe I've mistakenly put in, or maybe they're in the wrong location, and modify their properties by either right-clicking on them and selecting properties, or just going to them in the browser and modifying them there. I can also search by things like component types, so easily find my connectors or my PLCs, by part number, or by a location and function, if I want to pull those up a little bit more easily. So again, all in all, just a great tool for navigating the software and finding what you need when you need it. So hopefully this tip has been helpful for you guys. My name's been Tim Pulaski, and I'll see you next time.